In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can make this typewriter effect with a blinking cursor. You can download this project file in the description down below. Let's start by creating our text layer. I'm gonna type here, this is automatic cursor. I'm gonna center this. And to make this typewriter effect with blinking cursor is really easy because you already have a preset that makes all the work inside After Effects. So you just have to search the effect blinking cursor and you will see this blinking cursor typewriter console. And this is a preset you have by default inside After Effects. So we just have to place this in the text layer. And as you can see, we already have this effect. If you press U, you will see it will create 2 keyframes. So you can decide how long it takes to type the whole text. Or you can even make pauses. For example, if I decrease this slider, it's the animation slider, you can see it here. And I can bring this until the end of this word. And I can go forward, make another keyframe. So it stays like this until this keyframe, and then I can end the whole text by increasing this to 100. And there you can see it. You see, this is really automatic. You just place the preset and it already makes all the work. You can even change the cursor here. You will see this cursor shape effect, and if you open this drop down, you can select any of these symbols. For example, you can use a underscore if you prefer it. And you see it will be animated with a underscore instead. And these options are really self-explanatory. For example, the blink speed, if you increase it by a lot, let's say 40, you will see it will blink faster, the blinking cursor. You can see there is really fast, it's like from a terminal or something like that. And you can enable or disable the cursor by clicking this checkbox, but instead of doing that, you just add a typewriter effect if you just want the typewriter effect, and that's it. And if you want this to be animated from the center instead of the side, for example, my text now is being animated from the left side of the text. And if you go to the properties panel, if you don't have it, go to window and you will see here the properties and you have your text selected, you will see all the properties of your text. And if you scroll down, you will see this paragraph option. And now you can see my text is aligned to the left. And that's why it animates from the left side. But if you want to animate it from the center, just change this to the center. You have to center this. And now you will see it will be animated from the center. And that's it. It's a really straightforward tutorial, but it's really useful. And if you want to access all my project files, all my presets, and be around other motion designers, you can join to my community in the description. I'll see you in the next one.